Hello, welcome to the Curious News. For years, Dubai has been sold to the world as the ultimate dream: luxury skyscraper, tax-free salaries, a glamorous lifestyles in the heart of the desert. But something unusual is happening right now. Many expats are quietly packing their bags and leaving Dubai. Flights are full, apartments are being vacated, businesses are closing, and the question nobody is openly asking is why are so many people suddenly leaving Dubai? You are watching Curious News, and today we uncover the mass exodus nobody is talking about. The city built by expats. To understand this story, you need to know one fact: nearly 90% of the population of United Arab Emirates is made up of expatriates, engineers from India, bankers from Europe, entrepreneurs from Asia, construction workers from South Asia. They helped transform Dubai from a small desert trading port into one of the world's most futuristic city. Iconic landmarks like the Burj Khalifa and the Palm Jumeirah are built largely by the foreign workers, but now many of those same peoples are choosing to leave. Rising cost of the living. One major reason is the rising cost of the living. In recent years, rent prices in Dubai have skyrocketed. Some apartments have seen 30 to 50% increases in just a short period. For middle class expats, that means higher rent, more expensive groceries, costlier schools for children. Suddenly, the famous tax-free salary doesn't stretch as far as it used to. Many families say life in Dubai is becoming too expensive to maintain. Job market pressure. Another reason is the changing job market. During the global pandemic, thousands of companies downsized or shut down. Although the economic recovered, the competition for jobs become much rougher. At the same time, government of the United Arab Emirates introduced policies encouraging companies to hire more local citizens. For some expats, that means fewer opportunities and less job security. And a city where your visa depends on your job, losing employments can mean having to leave the country within weeks. The hidden pressure. There also a psychological side to the story. Many expats say living in Dubai can feel like being on a temporary visa treadmill. You can work there for years, even decades, but permanent residency or citizenship is extremely rare. That creates a feeling that no matter how long you stay, Dubai may never truly become home. For some people, that realization eventually pushes them to move elsewhere. Where are they going? So, where are these expats going? Some are returning to their home countries, others are moving to the new hubs like Singapore, Toronto, or cities across Europe and Southeast Asia, places where they hope to find more stability, better long term opportunities, or permanent residency option. The big question: Dubai is still one of the most spectacular cities on earth. Its skyline continues to grow. Tourism is booming. New mega projects are being announced every year. But behind the glittering skyscrapers, a quiet shift may be happening. A city built by the expats is now seeing some of them walk away. The real question is this just a temporary trend or the beginning of a much bigger change? This is the Curious News, and if you want more stories the world isn't talking about, make sure you subscribe and stay curious.